Can I give my dog human cough medicine for Bordetella bronchiseptica? If you are wondering whether you can give your dog human cough medicine for Bordetella bronchiseptica, you are not alone. Many pet owners face this dilemma when their furry friends start coughing. However, it is important to know that giving your dog human cough medicine is not safe. Bordetella bronchiseptica is a bacterium that causes kennel cough, a respiratory infection in dogs. This condition is often characterized by a dry, hacking cough and can lead to sneezing as well. While it may be tempting to reach for over-the-counter cough suppressants, these medications can contain ingredients that are harmful to dogs. For example, many human cough medicines include dextromethorphan, which can cause lethargy, vomiting, tremors, or even seizures in dogs. Acetaminophen, another common ingredient, can lead to serious liver damage. Pseudoephedrine can dangerously increase a dog's heart rate and blood pressure. Additionally, some cough medicines contain artificial sweeteners like xylitol, which are toxic to pets. If your dog is showing signs of kennel cough, it is best to consult your veterinarian. Treatment for Bordetella bronchiseptica often depends on how severe the infection is. Mild cases may resolve on their own with rest and supportive care. However, if symptoms persist or worsen, your veterinarian may prescribe antibiotics or specific cough medications that are safe for dogs. Using human cough medicine without veterinary guidance can mask symptoms and delay proper diagnosis. This can lead to complications and may even increase the risk of spreading the infection to other pets. It is essential to address any coughing or sneezing in your dog with professional help. In summary, do not give your dog human cough medicine for Bordetella bronchiseptica. Always consult your veterinarian for safe and effective treatment options tailored to your dog's needs. Keeping your pet healthy and happy is the priority, and your veterinarian is the best resource for that.